In a world increasingly dependent on technology, nothing quite disrupts the flow of a day like a sudden technical glitch. Imagine a bustling customer service center, a hub of activity suddenly brought to a standstill by a system malfunction. The heart of the matter, a software bug that needs urgent fixing. A repair ticket is promptly raised and the race against time begins. The process of addressing a repair ticket is not an uphill battle, but it does require a methodical step-by-step approach. The first step in this process is the identification of the issue. This involves understanding the nature of the problem, its context, and its impact on the operations of the customer service center. The more information gathered at this stage, the better equipped the technical team is to tackle the issue. Once the issue has been identified, the next step is to categorize the problem. This is where the technical team decides if the issue is a minor glitch that can be fixed with a simple patch or a major problem that requires a more comprehensive solution. This categorization is crucial as it determines the resources, time, and expertise required to resolve the issue. Following categorization, the next phase is the investigation. In this step, the technical team delves deeper into the issue, examining the underlying code and systems to pinpoint the exact source of the problem. This is akin to detective work, where the team sifts through the digital crime scene to find the culprit, the rogue code or malfunctioning system. Once the source of the problem is found, the repair work begins. This is where the real magic happens. The technical team, armed with their tools of trade, begins to debug the system, correcting the code and ensuring that the system functions as intended. This process can sometimes be quick, but in other instances it may take hours of meticulous work. After the repair work, the system is tested rigorously. This is done to ensure that the repair work has indeed fixed the issue and that there are no other underlying problems that could cause further disruptions. The testing phase is like the final examination, where the repaired system has to prove that it is ready to be deployed back into the customer service center. Finally, once the system has passed the testing phase, it is reintegrated back into the operational flow of the customer service center. The repair ticket is then closed, marking the end of the journey. To recap, the process of addressing a repair ticket involves several key steps: identification of the issue, categorization of the problem, investigation to find the source, repair work to fix the issue, testing to ensure the system is functioning properly, and finally, reintegration of the system. It's a journey that requires patience, expertise, and a deep understanding of technology. But at the end of this journey, what emerges is a system that is stronger, more efficient, and ready to support the operations of the customer service center once again. The repair ticket, once a symbol of a problem, now stands as a testament to the successful resolution of the issue.